Hello teachers, this video is going to show you how one can possibly organize your classroom in PowerSchool Learning. So to get in, I'm just going to go to my PowerSchool Learning link, and I'm going to quickly show you a finished product, and then we'll work through one together. So my intro to computer science is done. You can see here I have organized it in units, and for example, my intro to coding has 2 sub-pages, and that is a possibility if you have a larger unit and you need some sub-pages. And right now only this page is published, and so only the kids can see this one, so any content I add here will be visible for the students. However, anything I work on these other pages will not be visible. So how did I do that? Let's do a course I just finished, so CommTech. So I already made another page, but we'll ignore that for now. So at the beginning, you should only have first page and it will be published. To manage that, click on Organize Pages. And here you can trash it, or if you know what the name's going to be, okay, I might call this one Unit 2, and then we can call it Photoshop, for example. And I can drag and drop where I want things. I can add another new page directly from this menu. And let's say, for example, I wanted Photoshop Part 2. Just making that up. Now, that's obviously going to be a sub-page of this Photoshop. So what I can do is I can drag it, and you'll notice, okay, that I can put it wherever I want. But as a sub-page, I want it here. So I see this little arrow. Lets me know that it's a sub-page. And I can continue this process by adding new pages. And when I'm done, I'm going to press Apply. And just wait a second. Okay, and we're good to go. So going back to the first page, you can see here, well, already was there, that I have my sub-page and I have my first unit. I can also add pages right here by clicking Add Page. And it'll ask me where I want it, so name it, ask me where I would like it. So this one could be, for example, Unit 3. Okay, I want it to be at the bottom. It's not going to be a sub-page, and just press Save, and it will pop up at the bottom. I find the other method faster using Organize Pages link here. Now to publish and unpublish, so right now you'll notice Unit 1 is not published, and I can just click here, and it will publish it. Now within the unit as well, okay, I can make different content blocks published and unpublished as I go. The last thing I wanted to show was under Manage Page. Okay, there is a page. These are pretty obvious what they do, which is nice because you can share a page with other teachers, you can delete a whole page, you can move them to different classes. Page layout, as you see right now, I have a content block here and a content block here. So for example, my main content may be a Google Doc or a PowerPoint, or whatever it might be here. On this side, I might put a list of resources, okay, a link to whatever I might, additional information the kids want. If I go to page layout, as you can see, there's quite a few different options on how I might like to set up my page. And you can always change it. And just like in here, where you could drag and drop your pages, same thing with content. So if the students are moving through the first assignment and they're done, and I add another assignment, I can drag that most recent assignment to the top. And that's it. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a good day.